Okay, so we're gonna do a emissions test on a 2005 Mercedes, and we're gonna see if it passes. We recently took off the disconnected the battery because we did some electrical maintenance on this vehicle, and we want to see if it passes. Okay, so I did get a fail, and I also wanted to state out that at these emission tests, he was a young kid. The guy didn't know pretty much what details to even say as far as asking questions. If I've ever disconnected the battery or I've done any type of maintenance, he should have told me to go out and do a quick dry run. Out at least, drive. They say you're supposed to drive about 20 minutes out on the highway, at least 65 miles an hour. Or there's the other option of driving about 50 to 100 miles, and that way that'll take care of the computer resetting itself. So anyways, there's those two options. Just wanted to let you know, if they don't ask you any questions in the beginning about as far as the battery being disconnected for any type of maintenance, watch out for those people that the emissions, because they pretty much don't know their job there. Just wanted to let you know. So right now I'm driving it exactly probably about 100 miles to make sure I have enough mileage for the computer to pass the emissions, and we'll go back to the same place, the emissions place I failed at, and see if it passes. So once I've accomplished this 100 miles, like I said, we'll go back to the emissions testing place and redo the test and see if we can pass this time. Okay, so we're here at the air care system where they actually do the retests. See right there, it says retest. I guess that's where you enter over here. That's the guy we need to talk to right there. Okay, so we got a pass, and the trick was mainly to drive the vehicle between 50 to 100 miles, which I actually drove it over 100 miles just to be safe, and it went ahead and passed. So that's the trick to it, is driving it between 50 to 100 miles, and then you'll get an emissions test that will pass. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.